This is about organize, play and share. FileOne is an organizer, a desktop alternative for every node in OneNote. FileOne runs on macOS, Linux and Windows. It allows you to organize your contacts and email, documents and notes, photos and images, agenda, as well as multimedia, like music. Online radio stations, and movies. On top of that, you can share parts of the tree view and corresponding data with anyone else that has MiniOne, DocOne or FileOne. This video will show you how to browse the internet and how to use the download manager inside the program. Note, it is recommended to run this video full screen, in HD quality. FileOne and DocOne have a built-in web browser. You can use the built-in web browser to browse and surf the internet, visit 4 different websites at the same time, visit regular and secure web pages, download regular files, download movies, download audio only of movies, bookmark pages, and copy URLs. You can also create screen cuts and PDFs from the browser window. Now let's start browsing. When you go to the Internet Browser tab, nothing is shown yet. To visit a website, select the main search field at the upper left of the program and type the website. For instance, www.treegonizer.com. To go to another website at the same time, select a different tab and enter a new URL inside the main search field again. You can repeat this for any remaining free tab and each website you want to visit. You can bookmark the visited pages by a single right mouse click. To do so, select the tree view entry where you want to save the bookmark. After that, select neutral space inside the browser window of the website you have opened. With neutral space, we mean space not occupied by music, movie players, hyperlinks and images. A pop-up menu is displayed. Select Bookmark this page. By default, the URL is used as the name, but you can of course specify a friendly name. The bookmark is then placed under the selected tree item. If you did not select anything at all inside the tree view, the bookmark is placed inside the new folder. Clicking on a bookmark will open the corresponding URL inside the selected web tab. Instead of typing an URL inside the main search field, you can also use the main search field to search the internet. To search the internet for a specific word, type WS and then colon, followed by the words to search for. Once you are on a web page, you can make a screen cut of it by pressing Ctrl F7, that is, for Linux and Windows users. For macOS users, this would be Command F7. You can then drag a selection around the part you want to make a screen cut from. To save the screen cut, press Ctrl Alt S. The screen cut will be placed inside the new folder and is directly stored inside your Doc1 or FileOne. Afterwards, it can be dragged to any location inside the tree view. So remember, for Windows and Linux users, Ctrl F7 is for making the selection, and Ctrl Alt S is for saving it. Remember, for macOS users, Command F7 is for making the selection, and Command Alt S is for saving it. Besides screen cuts, you can also create a PDF from the web page by pressing the PDF button. It will automatically be saved under the selected tree item. Note that it takes a few seconds to produce the PDF of complex web pages. As mentioned earlier, you can download data with Doc1 and FileOne too. The downloads are placed under the selected tree item and are stored inside your Doc1 or FileOne, or is placed inside the new folder if you did not select anything from the tree view. To download, click the URL to download from. The download is then stored inside your Doc1 or FileOne. When you click on it, the corresponding program is started for you. Note that, if you have FileOne, you can right-click on the download and email it right away. Doc1 and FileOne are able to download other things too. You can download movies as well. Once downloaded, they will be stored inside your Doc1 or FileOne. To download a movie, go to a website that supports such. Be aware that not all websites support downloads to protect their content. If that is the case, a message will be displayed by Doc1 or FileOne. In our demo, we will download the FileOne intro movie from YouTube. Let's go to YouTube and search for FileOne Organizer. If found, click on it.
This is all
As
about.
soon as the movie starts, press pause inside the movie player. Select a location inside the tree view to store the video when downloaded. In this demo, we select the movies folder. Select inside the YouTube page, neutral white space, and right-click on it. A pop-up menu is displayed. Select the option, Try download of playing video. Be patient while Doc1 or FileOne tries to figure out the exact location on YouTube. It might take a few seconds. As soon as the location is known, and when the download is not protected, the download starts. The video is placed and stored inside your Doc1 or FileOne under the selected tree item. To play the downloaded video, double-click on it.
This is all about organize, play and share. FileOne is a desktop alternative for Evernote and OneNote.
One more thing to be aware of. By default, when you start using the built-in browser, it is started in restricted private mode. This means that all cookies and all history is cleared each time during startup of Doc1 and FileOne. You can toggle between restricted and relaxed mode. Right-click in neutral space of the web page and select the browsing mode option from the pop-up menu. Select or toggle to the mode you want to use for browsing. As the pop-up menu reveals, it has also options to enable plugins, JavaScript, and audio. As you can see, you can clear the browser cache and cookies at any time you like. Use those features to tailor your browser needs. Remember, this is about organize, play and share.